Okay, here we have a Chevy truck 2500 HD 6.0 engine. The power steering cooler was leaking, as you could see here. Corroded, leaking. Very easy to change. You have to take the front grille out. Very easy. Front grille comes out with these grommets. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. The hoses are very easy. So the pump has 2 lines, one here and the other one is over there. With a clamp, very easy, goes underneath the radiator from this side over here. This bolt and another bolt here. 2 bolts, very easy. The part was $80 and they have it available everywhere.